Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get a blocky avatar style in Roblox. So let's get started. If you want to change your Roblox character into a classic blocky style, first open the Roblox app and go to the avatar section. Now tap on Customize to start editing your character. Next, open the body option and select full body. Here you will find different body styles and parts. Tap on Body Parts and start customizing each section one by one. First, choose the torso option and apply the blocky torso. After applying it, remove your current torso if it is still equipped. Now go back and select the right arm, apply the blocky arm, and remove the old one. Repeat the same process for the left arm, right leg, and left leg. Make sure every body part is replaced with the blocky version to get the complete classic Roblox avatar look. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials.